We right here about to work on Big Farkas' truck. He's gonna do a little drop kit, a little 2.4 drop on a 2011 Ram 4x4. But yeah, we got a little 2.4 drop from Belltech. So we're gonna see how it comes out. Don't forget, copy your merch. Got the little beater right here. Built the whole house with this motherfucker right here. Been tipping the forklift with this bitch. Already know, getting crispy out here. Hopefully I start welding soon. Get it primered. Maybe go to a couple meets this season. If not, then I'm just gonna keep grinding to get that transmission. But yeah, we're gonna get to it. Right here, removing this one. It's at 18. Next, we're taking off this bolt, bottom one. Now we're taking off the top. We just took it out. Just have to hold the nut in the back for the top and then impact it. And for the bottom, you have to hold that with the little wrench. And then you have to pull that out. So right here, we got to take off the shock. The back is really hard to get to, but we're going to figure it out. Just took off the shock from the bottom. It was a 21 on both sides. Now we're going to do the top. A little hack job, trying to bend it so it'll fit over there by the shock. Right here, torched it the fuck up.
Bitch, how does it, bitch? There's someone press that shit?
Went nuts. Went nuts. Let him know, cuz. Let him know. Hey. Sit. I'ma fuck with you. You my nigga. Huh?
You took the bottom ball?
From the other side, yeah. Do?
This one hard as a boots. Smack that out?
Just got this shock off. Same thing, just ran that little twisted 21.
Right here we do a 2.4 drop. I'm nigga French whip.
Going crazy.
I ain't gonna lie. Just here to watch.
Check his hand. 30. The money makers. Tuna. Sit. Give me pop. I'ma fuck with you.
You better fucking die. Oh, no. FS. I was gonna die.
Pull that motherfucker back.
Just leave it on there. Can you bring me the spray from the bottom? Only one. Tell you nigga, we mechanics.
Come get your springs cut by
Compare it.
Y'all can see the big difference. There's a thicker shock. We're gonna have a smooth ride from my boy French. Shout out Belltech, thank you for sponsoring us. Thank you for the sponsor, TMPV. Just gotta slide that spring in. Pop the, yeah. Fuck are these called, cuz?
Bump stop.
Pull the bump stop out and just get the new one, or some people cut the old one just to make it a little bit shorter. But you know, my boy French had to go crazy. Sponsored by Belltech, sponsored by TMPV. Edición Serreña on the cut. I already know. Man, let them know. Let them know about the gigs.
Hit me up. 414 1-800. Looking at, I don't know the number.
1-800 TMPV. Don't forget to grease your bolts. Then you're gonna have some squeaky suspension.
Like mine.
Like mine. Like Big Bro Mario's. Shit wasn't funny. Look at that. Hey, Big Bro, sit. Sit. Dap me up. I'ma fuck with you. Dirty ass hand, she didn't wanna fucking dap me up and shit. Yeah. Oh, you got parts over here. Putting the fresh shock in. to the top, and he has to go to the bottom, compress it so the bolt can go in. The spring's already in there. Other side too. Now we gotta put the shock on this side too. Where that? Alright, so we put the shock in. We raise the jack so the spring could line up here. Obviously we line that up with the circle. And you stick the bolt in because the shock goes up. After that we're gonna do that link at the bottom. I'll take a video of that too. Let them know, cuz. Yes, sir. Right here, don't sleep. S&J Metal Finishing. Going crazy. Getting these rims right. You already know these wheels. Hit them up. 414-384-7135. Got the shit box right here. Already know. Big Ram. Hit up Edición Terreña on Instagram, on all platforms. All platforms. Don't sleep. Keeping it $150. I'm gonna put the number on the screen. Don't worry about that. Luna, sit. Damn you. Damn you. I'ma fuck with you.
Roll machine.
Now you gotta put that bracket to drop that bar.
Well, there's a bolt that goes in the bottom, no?
Yeah, Simon.
Which one? The little one?
Yeah. So there's that big bolt that goes with the collar, and on the bottom you just bolt it up.
That big under.
So yeah, we tightening everything up now. Went crazy. Belltech, thank you again. I can't stress it enough, Belltech. Thank you for sponsoring us. TMPV, I cannot stress it enough. Thank you for sponsoring us, man. Every video. It wouldn't be possible without TMPV. I'm just keeping it $150. Look, Luna, sit. Come on, sit. Dap me up. I'ma fuck with you. Yes, sir. It's like that around here, you know. Respect given, respect received and shit.
Alright, give me that shit. And
Something like prime example, you see? It's all about teamwork.
No, we're passing tools around this.
Yes, sir.
Chop chop. I love this dumbass shit, bro.
Say some dumbass shit, cuz. That's why nobody fucks with you when you come out in the vlogs. I don't even gotta say it. I don't even gotta say it. Right here doing the finishing touches. Already know.
Hey, someone go over there and pass
Big one. Big Mario. Big Potsy. Big Archo. Last couple steps. Putting the little bar off, the belt took off. Any last words? Before I mark the fuck out of y'all.
No. It's been what? Since I bought this bitch, how long I got it? Like 2 years? 3 years, yeah, I was in. Damn, this shit hard. I wanna drop it hard as a bitch, cuz.
Bro, you got me fucked up, nigga.
Is it going?
Hell no. Oh yeah. Damn, that shit low as a bitch. Nigga.
But smart.
No, that shit. Damn.
Is it going slow? Stupid ass.
Bum bags. Damn, nigga. Look at him. Look at him. Big that, hey, FS. FS. Now pull that jack out, nigga. There's probably still some jack to it. No bullshit.
That brake probably not finna come out that bitch.
That's what I'm saying. ¿Sí salió? Man, you ain't low, nigga. Looking at
Bro,
Wrap it up. Let's go for a test drive. Big bro finally did it and shit. Like I said, big bro, younger than me. I already know though. Now we just gotta drop the front. You already know. Another day, another dollar. We're right here. Just did a nice little 4-inch drop in the rear for my boy French. You already know, we crazy. Hit up S&J Metal Finishing for your polishing and buffing. For your polishing and buffing. And hit me up for your drop kits. I don't do it. I'm just fucking with you. But if y'all need help, come through to the shop. We get good content. We make the YouTube family happy. We make Mario happy. Shout out my boy Mario, holding it down. Did most of the work. Did most of the work. We got some content coming for his truck too. He just got some new headlights, and we might raise the back. If not, we're gonna try to figure something out because his wheels hitting the back of the bed. So we'll figure that out. Right here, feeling like we're about to take off. This motherfucker squatting nasty, but shit. Give us a little bit. Right, it's good as fuck.
Me siento solo en mi habitación. Me prendo un gallo y salgo